Today we're going to show you how to update your inventory prices quickly and efficiently. From the main menu, go to the Inventory section and click on Update Prices. On this page, you can update multiple bundle prices at the same time, without needing to open the list of slabs and edit them one by one. Here you can filter by material. For example, I'll enter Alaska White in the Material field and click Filter. Below, the system displays all Alaska White bundles registered in the inventory. In this example, all bundles currently have a sales price of $22. Let's update them to $21.50. You can select all bundles at once or choose only specific ones. If you choose to select all listed bundles, the system will also display these two additional selection options. The All Pages option is useful when the listed bundles span across multiple pages, and you want to select all of them without needing to go page by page. The This Page option selects only the bundles displayed on the current page. Since my Alaska White bundles only occupy one page here, I'll select the This Page option. Then in the Sales Price field, enter the new value and click Save. Done. All selected bundles have now been updated with the new sales price. If I go to Inventory, open List of Slabs, and filter for Alaska White, I can confirm that all bundles have already been updated. Now let's talk about cost price. The cost price represents the purchase cost of the material, which you can enter while registering slabs inside a bundle in the inventory, or by registering the purchase through a bill in the system. So if you entered incorrect values, or if you haven't added a purchase cost for your bundle yet and want to update it all at once, you can select one or multiple bundles below. For example, this Alaska White bundle does not have a linked bill or any purchase cost registered, so I'll select it and add a cost price. You can enter the value per square foot or per slab. Here, I'll set the cost price to $10 per square foot. If you click on the bundle, you'll be taken to the bundle page in the inventory. To view the costs entered when the slabs are not linked to a bill, simply click on Actions and then select See Costs. Here, you can view all the costs applied to each slab. Now let's open another Alaska White bundle that we're going to modify. Here in Inventory, we can see that this bundle is linked to a bill. On the bill in the Value column, we can see the cost price per square foot currently set to $9.50. If you go back to the bundle page in the inventory and open See Costs, you'll also be able to view the cost price per square foot, as well as the purchase cost amount. Now I'm going to change this bundle from a $9.50 cost price per square foot to a $1,000 cost price per slab. Here, you'll enter the total amount paid for all slabs, and the system will automatically divide that value by the total measurement in square feet. We can see that the cost price per square foot is now $15.48. Now, let's check See Cost to confirm that the values were updated in the inventory as well. In cost per square foot, we can see that the value has been updated, along with the total cost and the purchase cost. And on the bill, we can also see the updated values, just as they were changed on the Update Prices page. That's it for today. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit SlabWare.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks!